Alright, today I have a Tesla Model Y, and I'm going to show you how to change the language on a Tesla Model Y. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Alright, so here is the monitor on my Tesla Model Y. In order to change the language, you're going to have to go through the controls. Now you can change the speaking language, you can also change the letters that are on here, you can change that language, as well as another feature which I'm going to show you. So, what you're going to do is, you're going to see the monitor, and then you'll go to the bottom left-hand corner, where you see an icon in the shape of a Tesla. And what you'll do is, you'll tap on that, and then once you tap on that, it brings you up to the control center, right? So after I have that, I'm going to go down. You'll see that there's an icon that says display. You want to tap the display icon. And on that, it brings up features that are part of the display. And so what I'll do is, all I have to do is scroll down a little bit like this. And right here, there are various options for changing the language. There's a language, touch screen language. There is a voice recognition language. There is a voice navigation language. And all of these right here are currently set to English. In order to change these to a different language, all I have to do is tap on one of these and go to the various language that I would like it to be in. So I can change it to Spanish. It says changing the language will require a system restart. So the system will have to restart. In order to get the system restart, I have to press OK. Okay, so you'll have to press OK, and you can change that for the touch screen language. For the voice recognition, the same thing. Go in there. But this does not require a system restart for the voice recognition. I changed it to Español, or Spanish, for those of you who don't know. And then I have the voice navigation language. Go ahead and tap that, and I can change that. And again, that does not require a system restart. I'm going to go ahead and set these back to English. And this is how you change the language in a Tesla Model Y. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.